What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm gonna show you um how I took off my rack and the components you need to take it out and the tools. So you're gonna need one of these, at least an impact gun. You're gonna need a 19 millimeter, a 17, a 16, and a 14. And what nobody ever shows you is, in order to take off the inner tie rods, you're gonna need this tool. It's about $30. So what you do is you put it on here. You see, like that. You put it on here, and the way how I took it out, before I loosened it, so I had it like this. The driver's side was a lot easier, so I had it like that somewhere, as you can see, sort of like that. Let's pretend the rack was right here, so I loosened it like that, and I just yanked on it until it loosened. Then in order to take the passenger, I use something like this. I have another one that's a lot bigger, but something similar to this. And what you do is, you have to have the car on stand, like I do. You go underneath, and I'll show you. You see here, like right here used to be it's kind of hard to do it, but hold up. The other inner tie rod was somewhere right here, like somewhere right there, and I just used this tool, and then I just yanked on it like that. Like, you need a lot of strength, and I didn't take out the heat shield or anything. Well, that's how you do that, and eventually you'll loosen it. And I think you need to take off the axle shield in order to get enough leverage to do that. So there's only there's a bolt here and a bolt in the back, and there's one right behind this thing, like on this side. Take that out and you get leverage to yank on that thing. As you can see, like somewhere right there, that's where I was hitting it, and then that's where I had that tool that I just showed you, and I tightened it, and then I was just pulling on it hard until I loosened it, and eventually you get it loosened. Now I'm gonna show you the difference between the Hardrace inner tie rods. These are the adjustable. These are the new ones. Because my car's lowered, I needed these. So see the difference? There's like a washer right here. You can tell it's like a little thin washer right there. And then these are the inverted ones, which you can also get on the website. They go over there. And these are the original. That was blown, and then that's also, like, you can move it around with your hands. The new ones you can't. And while I'm at it, I'm also replacing the inner slider, which everybody knows about. This is the original, and this is the new one from SHG. And then this is the rack. Take it out, slide the slider out, and put the new one back in. And then what was recommended by SSG is to use this stuff, RedLine CV2. Bought it off of Amazon, $12. So I'm just gonna use what they told me to use. I'm not gonna use universal valve line or any other stuff. And then that's it, just everything in reverse. That's the motor I had to take out. Take the rack out. And on my EP3, this is an EP3 and it's a lot tighter on here, like to wiggle it out, so I'm sure it's gonna be a bitch to put it back in. Sorry about my language. Hopefully this helps some people out there with EP3s. And I never done this before. This is my first time doing it. So yeah, that's about it. Leave a comment and I'll answer as best as I can. Thanks for watching.